Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. Friends, today I'll be just going out and getting some drive through and we'll be seeing some decorations. So I want to take you all along with me. Please come and here I've covered my hair and all well so that I just don't get exposed to all the virus outside. And this is actually a very cute hairband. I bought it from King Supers. So I'll show you, share how I wear my mask on this. So just give me a second. So here's the mask. So I just put it, and here are the button. So I put this one over here. Then there's the second button over here. I put this on the second button, and I cover myself so well. I'm not exposing any of my hair, nothing. So let's go out. So here we are starting and I'm ready, and now everything will become dark, but you can see the good lights of people decorated and all. Let's get going. Here is McDonald's. I'm missing so much. Once in a while I used to eat McDonald's, but now I cannot eat, and I feel somewhat that we are not eating out at all, but I am just cooking everything at home, and I miss the McD place. Good decorations, lovely decorations. Oh, stop, 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 stop. I became late. Red light, here we stop. Oh, love this decoration. Love the green and red. And my nail polish is also red and green. Love the theme of it today. Lovely. It's so beautiful. But the roads are so empty. It's not crowded. So people are really following good norm of not going out, not having too many crowds. That's good. So today church is also a little empty because of some people didn't go out of their houses. We are also just driving and coming off. We won't be getting down. Just taking a long drive today and having fun. Park, and I love the decoration always. I come every year and see this. It's so beautiful. I love the snowflakes. So beautiful. See the nativity also. It's so beautiful. Just see, friends. It's so beautiful. Love the lights. Just love. I have to be careful because I'm driving also. Very dangerous now. We have to wait for the passengers to go. It's flashing. Oh, it's so beautiful. They have put it so well. Nobody's there. I can go. Yeah. So beautiful. I love this Parker downtown. No? If anybody wants to come, please come and just see. People are walking. It's so beautiful. Lights on the top of our roof. So beautiful. Love this time of the year. Beautiful. They've decorated so well. So perfect. Christmas time is the best time to be in America. Watch all the lights, watch the trees. It'll take like after January 3rd, I think the people remove this. I'm not sure, but till January 3rd or 4th it will be there. I love the snowflakes, lights. They look like snowflakes, and there's still snow on the ground and all. Perfect Christmas time. If it snows, it is the most perfect time, but we don't. But it's good if there's no snow because I don't like much of the snow. Here people are taking nice pictures, their Christmas pictures. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm glad I came out of the house and checking this. It's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful now. Okay, there are so many decorations here on the trees. It's beautiful. I love this yellow lights. They give a good spark to the evening, and it's only 5:30 in the evening and it is so dark. It becomes really very dark. Now I'm trying to exit from here and I'm thinking, where shall I go now to just back up? Still walking and just going, so it's actually very nice. Actually, it's beautiful. Oh, see the green dinosaur and all. It's nice. They have put up here. Oh, very nice blue lights here. Oh, very nice. People are just walking and having fun, and I'm driving too slow. People will honk at me. They're saying, why this lady is driving so slow? She could have instead walked. Oh, this is nice. Over here there's a coffee center, Fika Coffee Center, my favorite place. But it's closed and no one is here again. Somebody's crossing, that's good. I love this place. This is beautiful. It's very nicely decorated. There's a nativity here. I hope I can capture it. Yeah, it is here. You saw the nativity? I'm going very slow. This is our old Bryan Park, my favorite downtown Parker Park it is. It's so beautiful. Heading, and there are some decorations here and there too. So here there's a nice restaurant, August Moon. You get nice good Chinese food over here. The food is excellent actually. I just ate once in all this 20 years because, as you all know, I don't eat out much, but once I got a chance and I had gone over there with my friend. So she and I had a good time. We spoke over all the good times we had. I'm waiting to have a nice reunion with my friend after this corona is all done and we get the vaccination. The Automart, where the dealer with the heart, and you get to buy new cars, not new cars, old used cars, but they have a very good variety of cars. Automart. Again, so if I have to buy a car, I'll have to come here and buy a new car or a used car, but the condition of the used cars will be good only, and we have to check out how much can the car cost. So again we see lights, beautiful lights, so marvelous, out of the ordinary, you know. It's so beautiful. I love the green and red theme. I love red and green theme. Whenever you have to go for some church service or something, you can always wear something in red, green, and give a good bright color, have a cheerful face, and just go. And this year looks so Easter things will change, and after the vaccination everybody will be very happy. So people will be in great mood, great cheer. Here also it's green light, so we can go. Here's King Soopers, my favorite shopping place. King Soopers is little expensive, but Walmart on the other hand gets reasonable prices, and this guy in front of me doesn't know what he's doing. At last he turned right. You're recording? The neighborhood where we just came, and we said we'll record some more where people have decorated their homes, and this is our crossing where we stay. I cannot show the place because I think for the privacy. There's a nice Christmas tree. Someone decorated it very well. It's a real tree actually. So it's so beautiful, real tree decorated with, I think they must have used so many ladders for it to do it. And as somebody professional must have done it. It's not easy to do when you have your own homes over here. But I love the snow with all the slides, Christmas tree, my favorite. And snowman is beautiful. This is the best part of snowman standing. He's wearing a nice muffler, nice star on the top of the house. It's so beautiful, marvelous. This is Peabody and Sherman, they are saying. And I like the lights where people put the Christmas tree inside their house, and from the window we can see. I love this. When I have a big house, I'll also do this. It's so beautiful. People who have big homes can decorate very nicely. And I love when people decorate, and I always see that people decorate and I get great pictures and look good pictures. So I was wrong actually. This was not Peabody, but it was Charlie Brown. So I'm rectifying my mistake over here. And they have that LED lights. It's light green and red, dark green, and so it is Charlie Brown, not P or whatever I said. That was wrong. Sorry about that. But this is Charlie Brown. My children corrected me. So I hope you enjoy this video. Nice nativity somebody did at neighborhood, and it's so beautiful all over again. Very few people decorated the homes because these are small apartments. So, but all wonderful apartments and great. So people are having their own version of Merry Christmas. So we are back home now, and we are ready to just go into the house. Let's go home. So here I've taken Tazo chai, pumpkin spice flavored chai, just because I went out and we came in. So I wanted to have something hot and wonderful. So today I'll be trying this pumpkin spice chai. All these packets have come out like this, and it says do it with the water, but I think I'll make some with milk and try. So here I'm adding the milk. I'll warm it up. Here I'm cutting the packet. I don't know how it's going to be. Oh, it's like the dip chai. It's like dipping. So we have to keep it. Just I'll put some 3 or 4 packets. So here I'm trying to make pumpkin spice chai because I've always loved pumpkin spice chai in October during Halloween time. This is my first time trying out here, and I'll give you a review. Hope it comes out very well. Others I don't know, but we'll have to still drink it and just check it out if it comes out well. Dip. Just cut 1 packet, removed all the tea leaves from this packet, and I just put it so that the color comes, but I don't think anything is happening. I think it's becoming a flop. Let's see how it comes out, but it's still not showing any color over here. I think I'll have to add some other spices and all to. It might burn. I don't know, the color didn't come. It's like drinking only little flavored milk. I think I'll have to add my own tea leaves. So I'm just going to add 3 spoons of sugar too, because it was 3 cups of milk. 3. So here I am just drenching this very well and squeezing all the chai liquid and all from the tea bags. And this is how it looks. I had put 7 and I put 2 open bags, so I'll be straining it now. So here I'm straining it because I had added extra powder. So enjoy the chai with Good Day biscuits. Here's the pumpkin spice chai. Here are the Good Day biscuits. Enjoy. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you're having a very good time and having fun with your family. So Merry Christmas once more. It was a very fun day at my place and I'm waiting how the next year will be, 2021. So let's hope for the best and wish each other and have a good time with our family. So if you have liked my channel, please like it, share it and subscribe and comment if you have any questions and doubts. So have a Merry Christmas, friends. Bye. Love you all.